In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace that's a suspension stabilizer bushing, and there's actually two of those. One is right here, and the other one is right here. So what you gotta do is remove these bolts. There's one here and one's on the bottom, and then you remove this. And here's what I did. I removed this bolt here, and I was able to just put this away without removing that bolt. And there was this kind of rubber bushing, and it was kind of bad over here. It was like right here was kind of bad. So I'm just gonna put this one on back, the brand new one. Make sure you get the right ones because there's different kinds, and you don't want to get something that's loose or anything like that, because you could get knocking sound in your suspension. Okay, now that it's on there, this cut goes to the front, and then I can just put this back on here and tie the bolt and put that fire shield on, and it should be good. Remove the other one, and as you can see, there's minor crack right along the side, and also like something is ripped here or something. So I guess it was already hitting the metal. Same thing. Okay, here's how we put it on. Just put it on here, and then you can just drag it this way. This side has to go inside there. Oh, so either. Okay. It was actually this way. I just realized, but with the cut is, but I don't think it matters.
Careful with your finger.
But it has to be this side. Like this angle has to be either there or here.
I don't think it's a matter. I think it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, I think you gotta turn it a little. Make sure it's straight. Those edges are straight before you tie them. And then you just put on the firewall, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.